Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your line app. So all you have to do to fix it on your app, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps. So and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here to looking for your line app. So just keep going down here and you click on it. So I found it here. Then it's going to take us to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on for stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down here, you click here on storage. Then it's going to take you to storage list here and you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store. So you just click on your Play Store here and you search for your line app. So I'm going to search for my line app here. It's going to show for me like this and you will find here update. So just click on it, then it's going to fix your problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So before I forget, if this video helped you, so just don't forget to put like. So please, thank you for your watching.